If the admin wants to associate a tutor to any family, what they can do is in invoicing from the sidebar, the admin can navigate to the families page. In this page, there will be a table, and this table will contain the list of all the families who are part of the organization. So, from this table, the admin can choose the name of the family. Once they click on the name, they would be taken to the setup family default page of that particular family, where the admin can see all the defaults that have been set up for this particular family. The admin can make any changes. Now, there is a section called tutors and services. So, here, the admin can choose a tutor from the drop down to associate to this particular family. They will click on this drop down. The tutor's name would appear here. The admin selects the tutor. Once they've added the tutor, they would click on select service drop down. All the services that are being offered by this tutor would appear in the drop down. So as you can see, there are two services added here. Once the admin selects a service, there is this checkbox which says match tutor service rates. So if the admin clicks on this checkbox, you can see that this field, the data for this field gets auto-populated. So what happens here is that if this tutor has a service which is added into their profile, they have added a billing rate and a pay rate for this particular service that they're offering. So if the admin clicks on this checkbox, whatever value has been entered in the profile for this particular service, that gets auto-pulled here. And if the admin wants to add a manual rate for this particular tutor, what they can do is they can uncheck this box. Then the admin would be able to edit the pay rate for this particular tutor. If the admin wants to add multiple service for this tutor and they want to associate them with the family, they can click on this button called add another service. Then from the drop down, they can select a different service. And since this checkbox is selected, whatever service rate has been entered by the tutor in their profile, that rate is being pulled here. So once the admin has added the tutor, the service, and the rates, the admin will click on this button called Save Changes, which is present at the bottom. Once they click on this, the admin would be able to see the updates that they have made. Once they review the updates, they can confirm the updates by clicking on the confirm button. Now you can see that the family defaults have been updated and this tutor has been associated to this family.